Each location has its own fax machine, so I don't know whether that,
Now, this is pertinent information. We also would like to hear from those grocery stores and other pharmacies that Route 9 would like to relay that information so that our volunteer coordinators can. BC Ferries are not operating at Swartz Bay. There are no transportation links available. You're going to have to walk. This is why we are urgently appealing to. F-A-I-R. Okay, we've got it now.
To get to side streets so that people can have their mobility. But right now they would do us a favor not going out unless they absolutely have to. Because the worst thing that happens if they want to plow a road is to find a car stuck in the middle of it. And I know near in my area, Glanford, they couldn't do it because there was cars and even a tractor stuck in the middle of it.